Welcome to How to Ask ChatGPT to Write an Email. This chapter offers a warm, step-by-step guide to crafting emails with AI assistance. Welcome to Chapter 2. Today we'll explore why writing emails can be challenging, how ChatGPT can assist, a reliable formula for crafting emails, and practical examples to try. Finding the right words for emails can be challenging. Whether canceling an appointment, thanking a friend, or asking a question, staring at a blank screen can feel overwhelming. You're not alone. Many people face this common challenge. ChatGPT can assist you in crafting clear, polite emails. Simply express your thoughts in your own words, and it will handle the writing. It's like having a skilled friend who understands your needs. No technical skills required, just type what you want to convey. Begin with a basic prompt in ChatGPT. Simply type, "Write a polite email for me." ChatGPT will either ask follow-up questions or draft an email for you to edit. It's patient and non-judgmental, allowing you to request changes as needed. To get better results from ChatGPT, provide more details in your prompt. For example, specify who you're emailing, the purpose, timing, and desired tone. This makes the response more personal and useful, like asking your doctor's office to reschedule an appointment for next week in a short, polite manner. Use this simple formula to craft emails with ChatGPT. Write a type of email, to person or place, about situation. Make it tone and length. Choose tones like friendly, polite, formal, or warm, and lengths such as short, brief, a few sentences, or one paragraph. ChatGPT crafts a warm email to thank your friend for last night's dinner. Personalize it by adding your friend's name or a detail about the meal for a heartfelt touch. Writing a polite email to customer support can be challenging. ChatGPT simplifies this by crafting a calm, professional message. Just provide the details like the order date and let ChatGPT handle the rest. ChatGPT can craft a professional email for you. For instance, it can generate a polite inquiry about an order status, ensuring clarity and courtesy. This example demonstrates how a simple prompt results in a well-structured message ready to send. Editing and sending a reply is straightforward. Simply read the response, type your request, and send it. The entire process is quick and becomes more intuitive with practice. Always review your email before sending. Ensure it reflects your voice by replacing formal phrases with natural language. Personalize it with names or dates and verify all facts for accuracy. Use simple words for clarity. If unsatisfied with a response, ask ChatGPT to rewrite it. Keep private information secure. Remember, you are the editor. ChatGPT provides a draft, but you make the final decisions. Prompt A is too vague, leading to a general response. Prompt B, however, specifies the email's tone, recipient, and purpose, resulting in a more personalized and effective message. Providing more details enhances the quality of the output. Use this email formula. Write a email to person about situation. Make it and length. Type your prompt, read the email, edit if needed, and press send. You've learned the basics. Now try crafting a simple email. Open ChatGPT and type, "Write a short, friendly email to someone you know about something simple." Discover how easy it can be. You're doing great. Writing emails is now easier with ChatGPT. Remember, you're in control. Follow Simple AI Seniors for more friendly artificial intelligence lessons.